Hello? Yeah, that should be fine. I'll be there soon. Bye.
Good news, Mr. Woof Woof. Daddy's got a job. Guess who's getting a brand new chew toy? What's that? Of course I'll get you a big chew toy.
Good afternoon, Mr. Smith. I've been expecting you.
Oh yeah? Well, I was expecting you to be expecting me.
I see. Well, I was expecting you to be expecting me to be expecting you.
But you did call me.
Oh, yes, well, come in, sit down. I hear you're the best private detective this side of Brighton.
You're too kind.
Small talk aside, let's get down to business. Something is happening in my college. I don't know what it is, but I smell trouble. Kids these days, with their Facebook and their hippity-bippity hop music. It makes me sick. There's this one group of students called emos. There have been emos.
Rumours? What kind of rumours?
Well, they're organising something. Something big. And I want to know what it is.
I trust you know how much a job this dangerous will cost.
Half now. Half when I get results. Oh, Mr. Smith, may I warn you that if you fail me, I shall make personally sure that you never work in this town again.
Sweet Batman's nipples. This is the hardest job I've ever taken. What's wrong with these emos? If you can't trust the creepy bearded janitor, who can you trust? Maybe these guys are smarter than I thought. I think it's time to spell out all the stops.
start for more English.
Greetings, fellow emos.
Hi, who are you?
I'm the new emo kid in this college.
You emo, yeah? Sure looking nice. So, what's your name?
Bob. Yeah, you can call me Trent. Bob's the slave name.
Who's your favourite band, Trent?
My favourite band is 30 Seconds to Mars, the American rock band from Los Angeles. Formed in 1988, the band features Jared Leto as vocalist, rhythm guitarist and songwriter. Wait, Jared Leto? Is he the guy who gets his ass beaten up in Fight Club?
Well, I'm convinced.
Yeah, me too.
So, you being an emo and all, probably know about this thing on events.
Poetry reading?
Poetry reading? No. Are you sure you're really an emo?
No emo, I swear. Look at my cuts.
Oh man, you shouldn't cut yourself. Well, okay, seeing that you've been out of the emo game for a while, we'll let you come to this event anyway.
Hey, thanks.
Just come to room 32 today at 6 PM. Tell nobody.
Alright, see you then. Hello? Not there? What's going on? Why are you acting like...
You should do it, mate. All emos turn into town for the full moon, innit? It's the curse of the emo, bro, and now you're one of us.